Society, what is up? Y'all don't judge me. I don't look the best of the best today because guess what? I'm going apartment hunting today.
Relax.
Crazy.
Y'all, I'm so excited. I am so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of the journey. So step one, since we are here in Miami, I had a few of my, relatives pull up. I'm gonna go pick them up from where they are, and we are going to head to all the apartments that I can possibly find because y'all, it's so expensive out here. I kind of want to be in a centralized area because I also do makeup, so I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll see, y'all. My goal is to not spend too much on just living because I want to spend that same money on going on vacations, on having fun, on eating, on investing. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to find something that's somewhat affordable but still cute, but somehow that's kind of like impossible in Miami. So I don't know what I'm about to do, y'all. That's why I'm showing y'all this whole journey of me trying to look for the best place. So let go.
I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one and a
We made it to stop one, Waterford Landing Apartments. We made it to Waterford Landing. Say what's up, y'all, to the YouTube. Hey. Anyway, okay, we made it to the first stop. You have my purse? Okay. So yeah, guys, let's see.
You can keep that. That's gonna be yours.
Okay. So it's pretty much almost the same square footage.
It's only 30 square feet less, but remember the townhouse, it comes like this, like it's 2 stories, and the flat goes in like this.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. And you said, so technically, what, 30%? Less than 30?
It used to be 30, and now it's only 50. It seems like a peaceful neighborhood.
So we about to board the golf cart to go look at apartments.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So here,
3 here.
School, baby, school, come on.
you good?
You're uncomfortable for you. Come on. It's good, sir.
That's a cold, I told you.
I'm trying my story.
Vlogging. What a pretty day, y'all. Okay, so what we rating it?
3.
6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
What are we rating it, Mom?
3 out of 10. 3 out of 20.
Yeah, we couldn't see the inside because they're very busy. But anyway, stop number 2. Let's go. So we are at place number 2. It's called
Pepper's Cove.
We're gonna see the vibe.
Say right now, every apartment complex depends on how the workout area looks like. So if that gym don't look right, that apartment not gonna look right. I kid you not, man. The gym tells you a lot.
It's giving me church vibes. Yes. LA fitness vibes. Indoor pool.
Gotta go see the bathroom.
Indoor pool. I bet it got belle, no?
Where's your office?
Over here. Activity center.
It's not bad.
She's busy though. It looks like the leasing agent is busy. Come on, man.
So this one, I have it for July 23rd. And that one is 1,435. And it's 564 square feet. It's going to be $100 more each month.
Okay. So we are here, enjoying the views, the vibes. Oh my God, is that? I thought that. Oh shoot! I thought that was a statue.
I know.
So they said no pets, but only like service animals here. So if you're looking to move to Pepper Cove, don't bring a dog. Okay? Keep it at home because we don't want to hear the roofs, the woofs. We don't want to hear it. This is the washer and dryer outside.
And you can definitely fit little patio furniture set just like this.
So we're at place number 3, Cascades at the Hammocks in Kendall. This is not where I live though. So we coming in. Are y'all ready? Per. Party belle, no? Oh. So guys, I'm loving the decor. I'm loving the walkthrough. Yes. I'm loving the pool vibes. Look how big this pool is. Wow. Very much something. It's giving me LA.
So, another amenity that you have is the pool. My favorite one. You're able to use the cabana. You're able to use the grills. Right now they have it closed because they're going to be upgrading things. For grocery shopping. Thank you.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you would, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you.
Now we are headed to downtown North Miami area, but as you guys can see, there's always traffic here, so if you're looking to move here, you have to be careful and patient. All right, y'all, so we went to somewhere called BAYSHORE. That was a fail. Now we are here at Aliro. We're here at Aliro Apartments. We're gonna see what the vibes are. We're in North Miami Beach. Pretty much at this point, just ready to choose one and go because I'm ready to go.
I was the same way when it was.
Apartment hunting is very ghetto. 0 out of 10 recommended. So we're gonna go in this leasing office. Let's pray that there's somebody here because I do not have time to play and I do not have time to waste. Okay.
Grateful for your love. I keep you close now, never let you.
All right, y'all, so we are at like stop number 7. I lost count. Why? Because I'm tired. It's already 5 p.m. Places are closing, but we're at this last place called Lazul in Miami Beach, North Miami Beach. So we about to look. So this is so nice.
Yeah, the residents will put on their own decorations.
That's nice. But do you guys, I'm sure you don't allow like super loud music.
Exactly.
And thank you.
This is available for you. This is 24 hours.
State of the art gym. Oh.
So a lot of these pieces seem to be coming from West Elm.
Oh, West Elm.
A lot of residents on.
Et ça net, oui? Qui comme ça? This is me. I love this.
In your bedroom.
Oh, okay.
You see how you could fit.
I saw that online. That picture.
This one over here.
This one, it's right there.
It'll just be like this.
Hmm.
Your walls will just be this color. Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Wow. 2 sinks. Whoa. Not 2 sinks. Give me a second. Give me a second. Elle a ma wete, oui?
Oh, yes.
Elle a ma wete, oui?
Definitely. The balcony. I've been pretty fat.
No. So y'all, we're going to weigh our options, think about pricing, add up our approximations and go from there. But overall, things were great and we're gonna go eat. See y'all next time.